Jayco Bungalow. You guys, it is so cool. First of all, they have tons of space. They have a nice table that you can do work, you can eat, 4 chairs, you could put another one on the end. But check out all this living room space. It's literally like the feel of a home living room. This one is gonna fold out into a bed, and these two are gonna be for all the people that like lazy boys and like to kick their feet back. It even comes with an ottoman, and everybody's actually facing the TV. This is one of the nice things that you get if you go with a regular travel trailer, not a Class A. Sometimes you're gonna have a harder time facing the TV. Over here, it has a fireplace, which coming from Denver, we use all the time. And it's also got spaces for movies and other things, as well as a really large TV. And it looks like up here, does that even have, oh, that's your receiver and this sort up there for your sound, probably outdoor sound and all of that. So it's got a beautiful kitchen, you guys, tons of space in the kitchen for you and the kids. You can see how much storage there is. And this is their pantry, it looks like. So you probably would want to get some shelves from IKEA to put in there. But over here, you've got a lot of space that you can prep with. This one does have the dual sinks. I prefer the farmhouse sink, which is just one, but that's just my personal preference. You still have a lot of space. Over here, you've got a lot of cabinet space, and it feels very open the way that they've done this. Over here is the nice prep area, or you can also use this buffet style when you're ready to serve your food. I love that it still has the microwave, the gas top stove, and the oven. They brought these back after about a year or so. People did not like that they were getting rid of the ovens. Some people liked it, but most people, especially if you have a big family, we use all 3 all the time. If you don't, you can use it for storage and put pots and pans in there. Okay, so one of the great things about this is that this actually has bunks up here for 3 kids. You guys, this one's a little bit smaller, so that size is going to be for like the toddlers and, you know, maybe up to 7. Over here, this has a lot more headspace. They even have bookshelves and places that they can put all kinds of things that are built in, as well as a drawer that they can use. And there is a lot more headspace on this side. So all 3 kids can be up here. And one of the other really nice things is that there's no ladder. It's actually stairs. So mom and dad can come up here if you want to read your kids a book good night. I can even fit up here too. So there's a lot of options with this. Now let's go check out the bedroom. This is a really nice big bedroom. As you can see, I've got lots of space to change and get ready. The cabinets are very non-assuming. This is in the bungalow. Look how they're all beneath. So you can actually put things up here. You can sit up here. You can put flowers, decorations. You could put baskets if you needed extra storage. Under here, you've got plenty of room for different items of your shoes or your clothes. You can just see they're a little bit shallow, but because you have the option to also put things up here, depending how much clothes space you need, you can use that. Now, it also has a closet, so there's plenty of room for clothes in this bungalow. So it looks like it's going to be a his and hers closet, or let's see, is it going to be a washer and dryer? We're going to open it up and find out. Okay, so it is a his and hers closet. So each person has their own side for longer clothes. I highly recommend that you check out this RV. The bunk up there for 3 kids is so cool. And this RV is really good for families.